Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes. Today we are going to start a new chapter, lines and angles. Here angle will try to understand at first. So here a ray from point and another ray starting from the same point. The inclination between these two rays is called an angle. Okay, the inclination between these two rays and a common initial point is called angle. Okay, suppose this common initial point is A, named as A, and the ray is called as AB, and this ray is called as AC. Now the name of this angle will be any point on this arm, that is C, and vertex, this is called as vertex, the initial starting point, that is the common initial starting point, is called as the vertex of the angle, which is A, and any point on the line or on the ray, that is B. So the name of this angle is angle CAB. This is the symbol to represent the angle. Okay, CAB. Same angle can be named as any point on this ray and the vertex and any point on this ray, that is any point means here B and vertex is A, and any point on the ray is C. The symbol to represent an angle is this. So the name of the same figure is angle BAC. So we can call this figure as angle ACAB or an angle BAC, or simply we can name it as angle A. So there are three ways to name a figure like this, okay, which is an angle. So to name an angle we have three ways, that is angle CAB, any point on this arm, vertex and any point on this arm, or any point on this arm and the vertex and any point on this arm, or simply naming the vertex as an angle. So this part of the angle is called as the vertex, this and this is called as the side or arm of the angle, and this is same as side or arm. So here what to understand is the inclination between two rays, between these two rays is called as an angle. Okay, now if we see multiple angles starting from the same common initial point, I mean multiple rays are coming out from same initial common point, then how to name the angles? So here one more I will make here. So here suppose Q is the initial common point for these rays, and suppose this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and the name of the ray is QP, QR, QS, and QT. So the name of this angle can be as angle PQR, angle PQR, which can be called as angle 1 also, angle 1. Similarly, angle RQS, angle RQS can be called as angle 2, and angle SQT, angle SQT, angle SQT can be called as angle 3. So we have seen how to name angles in this kind of figure. Now next is angle as rotation of ray. You have seen a clock 12, 6, 3, 9. Okay, so there are two hands. One is hour hand and another is minute hand. So these two are the rays, suppose, and this minute hand is moving, isn't it? It moves. As it moves, it makes some angle with this hour hand. So angle as rotation of ray can be understood by this clock. Suppose this minute hand makes an angle here 90 degree. Okay, that means the inclination between these two arrows or hands is 90 degree. It rotates about the point this, which is the center. Okay, and the final position of this rotating, suppose after rotating it, we notice that it stops here, then the inclination between these two rays will be 180 degree. So we can say that an angle has been described by the rotating ray. So here one angle, suppose OA is the ray and OB is another ray. Initially OB was overlapping OA and it is rotating towards this direction, and after some time we notice that the ray OB has reached this position, that is the final position of the ray OB is here. This is the initial position and the final position is here. Then the angle made by these, that is the inclination between these two rays, is the angle of this figure. Okay, so angle AOB has the vertex O and the arms OA and OB. Now next is to understand measuring angles. Here one angle I'm drawing. Okay, so this is O, the initial point. This is the ray. This is the ray. the name of the ray is OA, the name of the ray is OB. This is the initial point and this is the angle made by this, and this is the final position of the ray. So this is called as the magnitude of the angle, and when this rotates and comes to its initial point again, okay, it rotates slowly and it comes to its initial point again, then the magnitude, then the angle, the total angle made by this ray OB starting from here is 360 degree. It is divided into 360 degree. Total angle of this rotation is divided into 360 degree. So each movement or rotation is equal to 1 degree. Okay, 1 degree, and again another 1 degree, that is 2 degree. So it moves and it completes the total angle, that is 360 degree. That is, it is divided into 360 equal parts. Okay, suppose this is the ray. When it completes or when it makes a circle after rotating, the total angle is divided into 360 equal parts, and each part is called as the degree. Okay, and degree we write, suppose we write 1 degree, 1 we write, and the symbol is this. Okay, just above here 1 knot we make, so it is read as 1 degree. Suppose the magnitude of this angle is 30 degree, then we write 30 degree. Okay, angle AOB, angle AOB is equals to 30 degree. Like in a clock, each parts is divided into 60 minutes, and each minute is divided into 60 seconds. So similarly here 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes, and in symbol we write 60 minutes as 1 dash, 60 1 dash just above here 60, it is read as minute, and 1 minute is equals to, we know that it is 60 seconds. So here in angle chapter we represent seconds by double dash here. So in this manner, few things about angles we have revised and we should keep in our mind to proceed further. Now we are going to understand types of angles. First one is acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Let us make one acute angle here. One ray, and as it is more than 0 degree, okay, more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So this angle, this figure is an acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. 90 degree is somewhere here. This is 90 degree, and the angle made by these two is less than this, so it is an acute angle. Suppose the magnitude of this angle is 30 degree. So the angles between 0 degree and 90 degree, all are acute angles, isn't it? That means we can write an acute angle is less than 90 degree. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. In this manner, you can remember that an angle is acute when it is less than 90 degree. 90 degree. An angle which is having a magnitude of 90 degree is called as right angle. The magnitude of this angle is 90 degree, and to represent 90 degree we make symbols like this, okay, or else you can write here the magnitude. So an angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. So right angle is always equal to 90 degree. Okay, now next is obtuse angle. Now an obtuse angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Suppose this is the ray starting from Q and this is P, QP. Okay, another is here, another ray named as QR. Okay, 90 degree is here. So here the angle is more than 90 degree and it is less than 180 degree. This is 180 degree, this one is 90 degree, this total angle is 180 degree, but obtuse angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So this angle is in between this 180 and 90. Okay, so any angle formed in between these two angles 90 and 180, okay, then the angle is called as obtuse angle. How to remember? Obtuse angle is, that is 180 degree is greater than obtuse angle and obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. So this way we can remember. Another is straight angle. Straight angle is, suppose this is the initial point and here is one ray. So initial point is O and this is Y. Another ray from the same initial point is going towards this direction, and suppose this is X. So the angle formed here is 180 degree. Okay, so the angle which is equal to 180 degree is called as the straight angle. Okay, straight angle is always equal to 180 degree. Now next is reflex angle. Reflex angle is more than 180 and less than 360 degree. Total angle of a circle is 360 degree, so it is less than that. Suppose this is O and this is A, this is B. Two rays OA and OB, and OA is moving towards this direction. Like in clock, you can see the minute hand and our hand moves or rotates. In the same manner, here I am showing you. So the angle made by the ray OB, as it moves towards this side, the angle made by the ray is suppose 300 degree. So which is less than 360 degree and more than 180 degree. So such kind of angle is called as reflex angle. So how to remember reflex angle? 360 degree is greater than reflex angle and reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. So few things we have done and we should remember this. Now let us understand complementary angles. When two angles are given, suppose one angle is your 20 degree and another is 70 degree. Then the sum of these, that means when you add these two, how much we get? We get 90 here. So when we add two angles and if we get exactly 90 degree, then two angles are said to be complementary to each other. Okay, another example, 50 degree plus 40 degree is also 90 degree. So there will be several cases where the sum of two angles we get as 90 degree. So all those cases are of two angles which are complementary to each other. Here we have to understand that how to find the complement of an angle. Suppose an angle is 40 degree, then what is the complement of this? Complement of this angle, what is this? How to find? As the sum of the complement angles is 90 degree, then the complement of this angle we will get by subtracting this angle from 90 degree, isn't it? So complement of any angle, here 40 degree, will be equal to 90 degree minus that given angle, here is 40 degree. So 90 minus 40 will be how much? 50 degree. So the complement of 40 degree is 50 degree, isn't it? And similarly the complement of 50 degree is 40 degree. So here is the complement of 40 degree, and we have understood with this example complementary angles. Next is supplementary angle. Similarly, when two angles are added or the sum of their magnitudes are added, then if we get 180 degree as a sum, then those two angles are said to be supplementary angles. Like suppose here 105 degree is one angle and another is 75. When you add these two angles or when you try to get the sum of these two angles, you will get 180 degree. So when two angles added and the sum is equal to 180 degree, then those two angles are called as supplementary angles. So supplementary of, suppose supplementary of 100 degree, if you want to find, then what to do? Okay, so as the sum is 180 degree, the supplementary of 100 degree will be the difference of 180 and 100. That is, if we subtract 100 from 180, then we'll get the supplementary of 100 degree. That is 180 minus 100 degree. So we are getting here 80 degree. The supplement of 100 degree is 80 degree. So I hope you have understood the meaning of complementary and supplementary angles with these examples.